Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to use your own custom domain for your Shopify store? In this video, I will walk you through exactly how to connect your domain to Shopify. Whether you brought a whether you bought it on Shopify or from another provider like GoDaddy or Namecheap, there are two main ways to connect a domain to Shopify. First of all, buy your domain directly through Shopify, which is the easiest. Then, second, connect a domain you bought elsewhere like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains. If you haven't bought a domain yet, the easiest way is to buy it through Shopify. Go to your Shopify admin dashboard, then click on Settings button, scroll down, then select Domains and hit Buy New Domain. Search your desired domain name like my brand store.com. Like you will see many other domain here. Once you buy it, Shopify will automatically connect it to your store. No setup needed. If you already have a domain from another provider, here's how to connect it. From Domains tab, click Connect Existing Domain. Type in your domain name and click Next. Then Shopify will now give you two DNS records you need to update. A record point it to Shopify's IP address like 23.227.3865. The name record point the www to shops.myshopify.com. Log in to your domain provider like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Go to the DNS settings and update these records. It may take a few minutes to a few hours for the changes to go live depending on your domain provider. Once the domain is connected, go back to Shopify domains dashboard, then set as a primary if you want customers to see that domain when visiting your website or store. You can also choose whether to redirect the www version to the non-www version or vice versa. It's up to you. Quick tips. Always double check your DNS settings. Clear your browser cache if you are not seeing updates. Use Shopify free SSL certificate to keep your domain secure. It's enabled by default. And that's it. Your custom domain is now live on your Shopify store. Like this video if it helped. And don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, drop in the comment below and thanks for watching.